Let's continue to add more methods in the course controller. So I'm just going to write a bunch of methods here and we'll fill them out as we go. The first is I want a function to return the basic information about the course. So let's just start by pulling in a function called getBasicInfo, and this will also receive the course as an input. Then I want a similar function to update the basic information. So public function update basic info, and this will take an update course data. So we are going to have to create a data object for it. So let's just come here to the console and do PHP artisan make data. This will be under course, and it's going to be called update course data. And of course, we will also need an action that we will use or call to update the course information. So PHP artisan make action course update course action. And now back in the controller, we can pass the update course data and call it data, actually function. And let's pull in this class. Now at the bottom, I also want another function that will retrieve the curriculum information for the course. And the curriculum information here would include all the sections for the course, all the lectures for the course, and this will be used in the front end to populate the different update fields for the curriculum. So here we'll just do public function curriculum. And again, the curriculum will take the course as input. And we will implement that later on. For now, let's just create a placeholder for it. Then I want a method to upload a cover image for the course. So public function cover. And we are going to create a data object called upload course image data, and we will call that data, and we will also pass the course to this function. So let's create this data object. So PHP artisan make data course and upload course image data. Of course, similarly, we want an action for that. So PHP artisan make action course upload course image action. Then finally, I want a function that will update the status of the course, whether the course is published or not. So let's just say public function update status. That will take the course as well. And here we are going to create another action, PA make action course, and I'm just going to call that update course status action. So these are placeholder functions that we're going to implement shortly. Let's quickly go to the routes file, put in the routes so that we know what we need to do, and when we come back, we will just simply start filling those methods in. So the first one we said was to get the basic information about the course. So here we'll just do route get, and we'll do C for course. We pass the course as a route parameter, and we'll just say basic. And the function that we are going to call is get basic info. We want to do another route. This time it's going to be a put route because we want to create a route to update the information or the basic information. So it will be exactly like the get, except this time it's going to be a put route to update information. And the method we are calling here is update basic info. Then we want a route to update the status. So route, and that will also be a put route. And that is going to be C. Take the course and we'll just call it status. And the function we want to call there is update status. Then we want another post route to upload the course cover image. Okay, so route post, we say C course, and I'll just call it cover for cover image, and the function we want to call there is the cover, right? Because that's the function that we created in our controller. So we're going to target the cover action or function in there. Then finally, we want a route to get the course curriculum. So route get C, we'll pass the course to it, and then we'll say curriculum. And the method that we're targeting in the controller is a curriculum method. So these are the basic routes that we will be fleshing out in the course controller here, and we are going to start filling them one after the other in the next lesson.